So anybody working with stem cells or interested in stem cells, and to a large extent just interested in health, the reason is they have a problem. They want to resolve a problem that they have. But to me, really the most important part of everything that we have done so far in stem cell research is to understand that as you age, every day, as you have a decline, as you're losing cells, stem cells play a crucial role to replace the cells that are being lost. This is not an injury. This is day-to-day cellular loss. If you don't have enough stem cells in circulation every day to offset that cellular loss, you have a deficit that slowly accumulates, and down the road in 5, 10, 15 years, you will develop the health problem associated with wherever in your body you've lost cells. And there's a way to test this understanding of aging, meaning that you age because you lose cells. Because we need to understand there is a fundamental phenomenon taking place in the body. You're born with red marrow, but as you age, that red marrow converts into yellow marrow or fatty marrow, so that the number of stem cells in your body declines drastically. By age 30, you've lost about 95% of your red marrow. And that is when you discover you're no longer Superman, Superwoman. You start to realize your body is kind of not what it used to be. You've lost that edge where you have more stem cells in circulation than what you need to offset your cellular loss. When you lose that, you start to accumulate that deficit that I'm talking about. If all of this that I'm telling you is true, there's one way to test for it. I published an article in 2013 expressing that stem cells, or decline in the number of stem cells, is actually one of the cause of aging and disease formation. There's one way to test this. Let's go count the number of stem cells in the bloodstream of people who have developed a whole slew of so-called age-related diseases. And this was done now. It was published with atherosclerosis, diabetes, emphysema, lung problem, kidney failure, liver failure, heart disease, erectile dysfunction, lupus, arthritis, Parkinson. Many of these have been studied across the board. The people who have developed these problems, or let's say have lost their health, they all have on average less than half the number of stem cells that we find in a healthy person of the same age. There's a direct link between how many stem cells you have today in your bloodstream and all the days for the next 20 years and what your health is going to be in 20 years. If you can put more stem cells in circulation every day, you help the body stay healthy so you can age with health. And the reason why I'm saying that to me this is the most important is that all your life you don't have problems most of the time. You're just fine. What you don't know is that in the background you are losing your health. Small amounts, small increments. And one day you have the problem. So we are going to change our understanding of health and wellness, change the way we manage health, simply by understanding that a little bit more stem cells every day can really help you keep the health that you have.